Level 2 is an immersive experience, combining both theory and hands-on practical exercises. We are here to cater to all learning styles, making sure everyone's Makaton journey is effective and enjoyable.
Ready to expand your Makaton horizons? The Makaton Level 2 workshop dives deeper into the outside world, from animals to vehicles to school and work environments.
Whether you're a professional or parent, our mix of participants from diverse backgrounds enhances your learning experience. And remember, our workshops are designed to be accessible to everyone, everywhere.
With every level, we recap signs and symbols from previous workshops, then introduce fresh concepts to build upon your growing knowledge.
Elevate your Makaton journey with Level 2 and discover the power of bridging more communication barriers and empowering those with learning and communication difficulties to connect with the world around them.
Every participant receives a comprehensive manual and a certificate, celebrating your progression.